U. The new U. Don't like the looks. Find an older U. Noctis for 6 at its World Track and Road launch in Valencia, Spain. U. The 167 bhp Super Naked has close to the performance in all the cutting-edge technology of the MCN test-winning U. Superbike, but is more usable and more fun to ride in the real world. U. S also smaller, smoother, less brutal and better handling than the big old Tuono V twin. Quote, U. After thrashing the new Aprilia XA0 around the Valencia Moto circuit and spending an afternoon riding the surrounding mountain roads, motorways and towns, it could be the ultimate superbike. It really is that good. U. To read the full test, pick up a copy of the current issue of MCN. Out now. /single quote